So I might actually make another 3C kit to test out. Now, I did end up putting in the little kit that's similar, a little first aid kit. Someone tell me first aid kit, right? So yeah, um, this is my combustion. I can easily go to any gas station in an urban or a like rural environment and get another one of these. So it's nothing to me. Cutting, of course, this because I will have, and it will fall. Can opener, bottle opener, which I do have keep a bottle, but I gotta well that so this would be perfect for this regular environment. You know, so yeah. Also, I'm gonna build another 3C kit just to test out, right? You know, the cutting, combustion, right? I will use the combustion if need be, like whatever. Also, for one of my kits, I'm gonna actually be putting in one of those candle things, so I can have a little bit of thing just to, you know, go in the packs of candles. So yeah. Um. So yeah. Hmm. I kind of want to test out the purple one because I feel like the purple one will be useless. Like in any type of situation, except for like a party. So yeah. Also, I'm gonna be actually be building a duplicates of each kit so I can test out one kit and still have the other kit, perfect. You know. So yeah, it's my plan. Anyway, peace. It's been a post-box survival. Hope you survive in the wasteland and such. Peace.